Want to bring your creative ideas to life with ease and precision? The Art Projector for Tracing with Adjustable Stand is a fantastic tool for beginners, kids, hobbyists, and craft lovers who want to take their drawings, paintings, or DIY projects to the next level. Unlike other projectors that require downloading apps, this one is web-based, so you can control it directly from your iOS or Android device without any software. Just connect your phone or tablet, open your image in the web interface, and start projecting. It's simple, intuitive, and perfect for anyone who wants to focus on creating rather than setting up technology. The adjustable stand is a game changer. You can tilt and height adjust the projector to fit walls, canvases, or paper surfaces, projecting images in different sizes without distortion. The projected image is bright, sharp, and easy to trace, making every line, curve, and detail clear so even complex designs feel achievable. This projector is incredibly versatile. Use it for tracing artwork, creating murals, designing patterns, practicing calligraphy, or even teaching art. Kids love it for fun, educational projects, while adults can speed up detailed drawings or craft projects with perfect consistency. It's also portable and lightweight, so you can move it from your home studio, classroom, or even a craft fair booth with ease. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn, a hobbyist wanting faster results, or a parent trying to spark creativity in your kids, this projector makes art fun, stress-free, and incredibly rewarding. It's more than just a tool. It's a way to bring your imagination to life and see your ideas grow before your eyes. If you want a reliable, user-friendly, and versatile tracing solution that makes every creative project easier and more enjoyable, the Art Projector with Adjustable Stand is a must-have addition to your art toolkit. Click the link below for the best price.